Hi guys, welcome to my channel. And in today's video, I am going to show you how you can leverage AI to fasten your work, your development work. So in today's video, if you can see my screen, this is a Node.js application. It's a simple website, not just a website. It's a web application where people can sign up and log in to search for jobs, and people can also hire people, right? Companies can hire people. Now, this project I already did without the help of AI. Uh, One of my developers, friend, did, and I made some changes. So today we will be checking how Cloudy AI can help us. So just for FYI, I have bought a Cloudy AI subscription, which is paid one, which is $20 a month. So I used it today, and I'll show you my project in Visual Studio Code. If you can see, so not everything is being created by AI, but if you see these 35 file changes, these changes are done by AI. I didn't do anything, and I'm not a Node.js developer. I am a Salesforce solution architect. So what I want to show you that how you can use it. I was doing my work and it reached the limit. So I'm going to show you how you can change things. For example, I'll just go to the website. You can see when we click on sign up. Okay, let me start the host. So you can see it's connected to MongoDB. And now if you will go to the home page, so it's just a built-in application. You don't need to go into much technical detail. I'm just trying to show you how Cloud A can help you. So you can see when I click on find work, I can see the list of freelancers, which was not coming earlier. And when I click on find work, it is not giving me the list of jobs. Okay. When I click on it, you can see nothing happens. So for your just to show you, see when I click here, you can see on the right hand side nothing happens. Okay. Let me close the inspector mode and I'll just ask it to fix it. I don't see list of jobs. Can you fix it? And I hope the session limit has been reset as it is almost 1 a.m. here. And you can see whatever it is doing, it will be telling you step by step. So it says updating the to-dos, and then it is going through the job.js file, and then it is running the bash command. So normally it will ask you, see, it is asking you to make changes. I am not doing anything, and I'll just say yes. So it might take some time. I'll tell you why it is taking time, because normally when you do prompting, it creates its own files. For example, when you go to ChatGPT, DeepSeek, anything, okay, and it is taking time because it is actually making changes to your files. And also, every time it changes the file, it will ask you for the permission. You can click on always make the changes and don't ask. But I'm just, trying to show you that step-by-step process. So until now, it has made changes to two files, and we will see. Yeah, it says find work feature implemented, updated find work click function. and added a load all jobs function in the JS file, and then display jobs function. Also, these are the things which is added. Okay, we'll just see if it is actually working. See, I mean, this list was not coming, and to be very honest, I mean, if you will ask a developer to fix it, just implement the same thing, I would say it would take almost, I would say for a pro developer, it will take at least 1 hour or maybe more, depending on how much experience he has. It might, for an average developer, I would say average Node.js developer, it would take 3-4 hours, including testing, right? Creating the methods and testing them end to end. But when I click on find talent, this list is coming, and this list was not coming. So this is just one part. We will try to do more. So when I click on why how that works, it doesn't display anything. Uh, when I click on why how dot works tab on homepage, nothing happens. Can you add a detailed page showing the features of r.works? Here is the list. I'm just giving it a random list. Uh, find talent from all skills, and mm, what else I can add? Let me just think of some content here. Okay. Mm, candidates are technically pre-screened as per the technology and hire from anywhere in the world. Mm, schedule interviews, process your payments for the projects seamlessly. Let me just add this, okay? Uh, this is some part of the content. Please improve this content and show it in proper tiles. Also add some good animations so that it looks very attractive. Let me see if like how much time does it take. So normally we would create a sub page for this section why how works, and we'll add the content. Obviously this is very straightforward, but I'm just saying uh, we'll just check how much time does it take. By the way, before setting it up, after I bought the Cloudy subscription, I could also use the free version, but I wanted to check the limits for the paid subscription. And uh, before, like after you buy the subscription, you will have to set up extension in VS Code, and you will have to install Cloudy on your Mac or Windows, whatever machine you are using. That it is asking me to, if I want to allow write to yhorworks.html, I would just click on yes, and then it will create the page dynamically. So it might take a couple of minutes. I would say not more than that. And it is asking to edit the front page.html. I'll just click yes and yes, and don't ask me again. So what I want to say is that if you are a developer from any technology, I would advise you, even if you are a freelancer, if you're working for a company, and if your company is not providing you any AI tool, you can use Claude.ai and uh, you can fasten your work. You will be more productive. For example, creating pages and then creating some scripts and file connecting them. That is the work where we spend a lot of time, and it can save you a lot of time. So yeah, I think it has created. We'll just test it quickly. So I'll go to the home page. I'll refresh it, and I'll click on this page. Yeah, see, even if you will ask any designer to create this design, it will take a lot of time. I don't think, I mean, he can create in in less than a day, or I think 4 or 5 hours, including the content, because you will have to add CSS as well. So that's it. I mean, this was just a demo how you can make your work faster with the help of Claude.ai. So if you want to stay tuned about how you can use AI as a Salesforce developer, as a Node.js developer, as a Python developer, please subscribe to my channel. I will be posting more videos how you can integrate ChatGPT, how you can integrate Claude.ai in Salesforce, and how you can automate a lot of stuff where it will save you a lot of time. Thank you for watching.